Hi guys, I'm Jack from LRS. I'm an air conditioning and refrigeration engineer. I've been trying out these new advanced gels. They're a fantastic cleaning product that we've been trying for a while. They're as good as any other advanced cleaner on the market. Each one is in a compact pouch and they're all color coded so that you can see exactly which one you need. Each pouch will make 8 litres of chemical and the ice machine cleaner will clean 1 machine. They are very small and a very small design, very compact, so if you need to use the space in your van wisely, you can get more in. It takes up less space than a conventional mix-up cleaner. Very easy to use. You can put quite a few of them in a tool bag if you're working up on a roof. You can put them in your toolbox. They're not going to take up much space and they're very light. And that's it. I'm going to give you a quick demonstration on how you use them and go from there. We're going to make up some gel now. I'm going to put it in our hydro sprayer here. I'm going to use half the solution. We'll pour it in and I'll show you how it all works. So we're just going to put some water in. So we've left the product for 5 minutes, it's now ready to use. So we're just going to clean this evaporator out. We're just going to spray it in, top and across, and work our way down the unit. We've left the product in there for 10 minutes, we're just going to give it a rinse out with fresh clean water, and then that is the end of that.